Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study a new poem called Tiptoe Night in English. So, Tiptoe Night is written by John Drinkwater. It's a very simple poem. पहले मैं आपको हिंदी में इसका समरी देती हूँ. इसमें ये बताया कि नाइट जो है ना, नाइट को इंसान की तरह देखा है पोएट ने. ये जो नाइट है, रात, इसको इंसान की तरह देखा है कि वो कैसे धीरे से आता है, उसकी मतलब वॉक कैसी होती है, वो एकदम साइलेंट होता है. ठीक है, ये बताया है. सो नाउ लेट्स फर्स्ट रीड एंड अंडरस्टैंड. टिपटो नाइट कम्स डाउन द लेन ऑल अलोन विदाउट अ वर्ड. इसका मतलब ये है दैट tiptoe night, the night is coming on the foot like this and very slowly, silently, without any noise in the lane. Lane means the street. Taking for his own again every little flower and bird. Now this night is taking every flower and bird to himself only. He is telling that ये जितने भी flowers, birds is there in our surrounding, all is only of night. Night का है सब कुछ, flower, birds, trees, everything. Tiptoe Night is saying that, the poet is saying that night is belonging with the flowers and birds. Not a footfall, not a sigh, not a ripple of the air. Now what is footfall? Footfall is small footsteps when we walk. And sigh means a deep breath that can be heard. ऐसे सांस लेते हैं तो you can hear the breath, right? And ripple of air means the sound of air also. It is taking along. It is not making this much sound also. It is not making sound of air. It is not making sound of footsteps. It is coming so silently. The night is coming so silently. Not a sound to reckon by means you can't even imagine that night is coming. Yet I know that he is there. Now the poet is telling, yet, even if it is coming so silently, I know that night is there everywhere. And I count them as I wait, step by tiptoe, step until. Now it is coming very slowly, slowly counting its steps. Hush, he is at the garden gate. Hush, he is at the window sill. Now the poet is telling that the tiptoe night, the night is standing near the garden gate. And it is on the window also, near the window also it is there. So basically poet is telling that night is coming so slowly that we can't even imagine its sound. It is not making any of the sound and it is coming very slowly and night is everywhere. Okay, so poem is very simple. It's about night. Okay, so thank you.